Custom creations, Matt's Custom creations. Watch your man build, watch your man build, watch your man build. Lego for you.
This is a follow-up to the 2 unboxing videos we did for our subscriber who sent us a whole bunch of cool Lego, and believe it or not, I can see into the distant future. Here, I'll prove it to you. Now, look! 4th wheel. I see a 4-wheel drive in our future. See, I told you, I'm clairvoyant. Here's that 4-wheel drive machine that I pictured when I saw these cool wheels in 4 bright green fenders. All these parts came straight out of the box, and let's take a look at the interior. When you pull the top off, you can see the dashboard there and the seats. Speaking of taking the top off, I totally meant for this to be a body off frame type of deal.
Yeah, right, Dad.
Thanks again to our subscriber Alex and his son Noah. Now let's take a look at this body. And you can see how I pinned the windshield in there. Here's underneath of the body. I didn't detail the engine out in this since the hood was fixed. You can see the tail light treatment. And once you take the windshield off, the hood scoop and dashboard comes out as one unit. And here you can see all around that. And there's the seat, and I used some hinge pieces to make it recline a little bit. Just a little bonus piece to show how just changing the orientation and the color of some parts will change the looks of the front end of the truck. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you did. Thanks!